Do you understand English? But when you want to speak, your mouth stays closed. You know the words, you know the grammar, but your voice does not come out. If this is you, please stay with us. This podcast is made for you.
Hello, my friend. Right now, you do not need to study. You do not need to take notes. You only need to listen and breathe. English can be calm. English can be friendly.
My name is Emma. I will speak slowly. I will repeat. I will help you feel safe. You are doing great just by listening.
And my name is Jack. I remember how hard speaking felt. My heart was fast. My voice was small. If you feel this, you are normal.
Jack, many people understand English movies. They understand songs. They understand YouTube videos. But when someone says, "Please speak English," everything disappears.
Yes, this is very common. The brain is full, but the mouth is shy. Speaking needs courage, and courage grows slowly.
Many learners think, "I must speak perfectly." But perfection is heavy. It stops the voice. English does not need perfection. English needs practice.
Yes, babies do not speak perfectly. They try, they fail, they try again, and one day they speak.
Now, let us practice together. No stress, no fear. Listen first. I want to speak English. Now, repeat. I want to speak English. Good. Very good. Next
Sentence. I feel nervous when I speak. Repeat. I feel nervous when I speak. That is okay. You are learning.
Next one. I make mistakes, and I am still learning. Repeat slowly. I make mistakes, and I am still learning. Ha-ha.
Let us talk about daily life. Simple English is powerful. Emma, how do you start your day?
I wake up slowly. I sit on my bed. I breathe. I say, "Today is a new day." Then I smile.
Nice. I wake up. I stretch my arms. I feel sleepy, but I feel thankful. Small sentences are enough.
Jack, let us practice simple sentences every day. Listen first. I wake up at 7 o'clock. Repeat after me. I wake up at 7 o'clock. Good job.
Next sentence. I drink water in the morning. Repeat slowly. I drink water in the morning. Very nice.
Next, I eat breakfast at 8 o'clock. Repeat. I eat breakfast at 8 o'clock. Excellent. You are learning fast.
One more. I go to work at 9 o'clock. Repeat. I go to work at 9 o'clock. Perfect.
Jack, many learners say, "I am afraid to speak English in front of others." Yes, fear is normal. Everyone feels nervous at first.
True. But speaking a little every day makes the fear smaller. Small steps are powerful.
Let us practice. Repeat after me. I am confident when I speak English. Repeat slowly. I am confident when I speak English. Excellent.
Next, I try to speak English every day. Repeat. I try to speak English every day. Very good.
Now let us imagine real-life situations. Jack, what if you are at a cafe? How do you order coffee?
Easy. I say, "Hello, can I have a coffee, please?" Repeat. Hello, can I have a coffee, please? Good.
Next, thank you very much. Repeat. Thank you very much. Excellent. Polite English is easy.
Yes. Now imagine at the store. How much is this? Repeat. How much is this? Perfect.
Let's continue daily English. I go to the market at 10 o'clock. Repeat. I go to the market at 10 o'clock. Very good.
Next sentence. I buy vegetables and fruits. Repeat. I buy vegetables and fruits. Excellent.
Next, I pay with cash or card. Repeat. I pay with cash or card. Perfect.
Small sentences every day build your confidence. Keep practicing. Even 5 minutes per day helps.
Repeat after me. I am improving my English every day. Again, I am improving my English every day. Good.
Next, I am not afraid to speak. Repeat slowly. I am not afraid to speak. Very nice.
Next one. I make mistakes and I learn from them. Repeat slowly. I make mistakes and I learn from them. Haha. Jack, let us continue daily life sentences. Listen first. I go to work at 9 o'clock. Repeat. I go to work at 9 o'clock. Good.
Next sentence. I take the bus to work. Repeat. I take the bus to work. Very nice.
Next. I say hello to my colleagues. Repeat. I say hello to my colleagues. Excellent.
And after work, I go home. I relax and drink tea. Repeat. I relax and drink tea. Good job.
Now let us practice in shops. I go to the supermarket. Repeat. I go to the supermarket. Good.
Next, I buy bread and milk. Repeat. I buy bread and milk. Excellent.
And in the restaurant, I order pasta, please. Repeat. I order pasta, please. Very good.
Then I say thank you. Thank you very much. Repeat. Thank you very much. Excellent.
Let us repeat confidence sentences. I am learning English every day. Repeat. I am learning English every day. Very nice.
Next, I am not afraid to speak. Repeat. I am not afraid to speak. Good job.
And one more. I make mistakes and I learn from them. Repeat slowly. I make mistakes and I learn from them. Haha.
I wake up at 7 o'clock. I eat breakfast at 8 o'clock. I go to work at 9 o'clock. I take the bus to work. I say hello to my colleagues. I relax and drink tea. Very good.
Shopping sentences. I go to the supermarket. I buy bread and milk. I pay with cash or card. Restaurant sentences. I order pasta, please. I say thank you very much. Congratulations! You have practiced English today. You repeated sentences many times. Your voice is stronger. Your confidence grows.
Remember, practice a little every day. Speak slowly. Make mistakes. Learn from them. Step by step, you can speak English.
Thank you for listening. Come back tomorrow. Practice again. You are improving every day. Bye-bye.